Today we're going to unbox another stock on Arizona custom knife. We're gonna send them over there. It's a consignment store. So I got all these knives. Let's see what we in here. You can find them on Arizona custom knife. This is right here, Booker Desert Warrior extra large. This thing's completely sold out. Oh my gosh, look how big that is. There's a medium or large and medium and mini. This one is extra large. Wow, this print is so kind of slow on this thing. Boom. So it looks like a donut, as you can see, with sprinkles. That's the idea of it. So I have 3 of them or something like that. These things are really rare. Morphin shot glasses, also incredibly rare. Microtech and Morphin. This highly collectible stuff right here. So this is all out of titanium, and there's a logo of Morphin custom knives. Beautiful. So this is all gonna go on Arizona custom knives. So I get a little restock. Some of the stuff I will keep for myself, like this stuff is incredible, very rare too. This is like a beard brush or comb. There's the name of it. You see, Morphin custom knives. There is a certificate of authenticity. Usually they don't have the numbers for that stuff, how many was made, but if you look at it, you see it's a brush or whatever you call it. Comes with a really nice holder. So there you go. This right here sells for $400 if you can find it. I see on eBay sells for like $700 to $1,000. There's another SBD Borka blade collaboration with Microtech. You see the box is really big. So what's so special about this one? You push on this, it should come off. There you go. This one is all block. Serial number 765, made in 2022. I really love it. Carbon fiber, and the steel is M390. So good stuff. And then you put it back in this way. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's see what else we have here. I got a whole bunch of super rare Booker grip locks, brand new. What's so special about it? Designed by G&G Huck. You see how fidgety that is? You just push it on here. I have few videos of that kind of knife, and it's incredibly rare. They sell out so quickly. Okay, another Microtech. This one right here, Hellhound UTX 70. I paid $380 for it. No, this one is Sakoma Elite, I'm sorry. $380. They sell for over $700, full serrated ones. Really hard to get, incredibly rare. So there is stock going on over here. What else we have here? More grip locks. Let's see what kind is this. This one is a black handle. Ooh, nice. You see it? Brand new completely. I had to open it to check. It was sealed. And another one. The silver ones are actually more expensive. A little bit. But depends on collectability. Morphin shot glass. Another one right here. Let's see what kind is this. Okay, this one is looks like bronze, kind of like this one as much as the other one, just different. Oh, this looks like a big screw. That is a Morphin screw. Beautiful. Wow, incredibly hard to get. This thing sells out super fast. I got it at pvkvegas.com. Okay. UTX 70 Hellhound, this one right here. Also really hard to find. This thing's quite collectible. So this is Star Wars edition and Hellhound blade shape. Super miniature, kind of fun little unboxer. Beautiful. And it's all like vintage look like it's scratched up, but it just make it look cool. Okay, there's a ZT. ZT is always fun. Let's see, this one is kind of used. Okay, this one about $200 knife, flipper. I like ZTs. ZTs are very unique knives and they're not super expensive. And this one is assisted, as you can see. You see it's kind of hard to pull. Wow, it's quite nice. The ZTs is definitely quite affordable. They don't uphold too much value. Like they don't go up in price usually too much, unless it's something really rare and everybody wants. Another Mantis JJ Hawk collaboration gearhead. These things are really popular. The older models, the bigger ones with the partial serrated, those are ones that is kind of hard to get. These ones are discontinued. This one, there is much smaller ones without this guard. They are a lot cheaper. This one's about $300. G&G Hawk. Always mess up that words. I say G&G JJ. Anyways. And looks like one more Microtech Sakoma Elite, another one. I got two of them. Again, another super hard ones to find. Boom. And on top of it, full serrated. Incredibly hard to find. Got two of them. It's all gonna be available in a couple of weeks on Arizona Custom Knives. So check them out. That's a little restock that I ordered for videos and for a sale. Let me know in comments below which brand of knives is your favorite. I really do like Microtech, but I do like a lot of different brands equally. By the way, in case you wondered what I use daily, is this right here is Corsair. It's pretty nice, it's assisted. It's so comfortable. And as you can see, you can use it with the right hand or left hand. It's just so nice. I like the blade shape, and if I need some smaller, I like this CEO, CRKT, Columbia River, CEO right here, yeah. So these two I mostly use for the most part. It's a little bit harder to open this one, but I finally got a handle of it. It took me a while to kind of grab it. It is much more uncomfortable versus this one. You don't even have to think about it. It is assisted. So these two I've been using lately.